Hello viewers, today we are talk about Daniel Garber. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video with family and friends. Daniel Garber 1880 to 1958 was a celebrated American impressionist painter known for his captivating landscapes, serene interiors and masterful use of light and colors. As a key figure of the Pennsylvania Impressionist, Garber's work remains an enduring testament to his talent and vision, embodying the aesthetic and cultural essence of early 20th century American art. Born on 11 April 1880 in North Manchester, Indiana, Garber grew up in a Quaker family that valued education and the arts. His artistic inclination emigrated early and he began his formal training at the Art Academy of Cincinnati in Ohio. There he developed foundational skills that would later define his style. Garber's journey continued in 1899 when he moved to Pennsylvania to study at the Pennsylvania Academy of the Fine Arts in Philadelphia at Puffa. He trained under influential instructors like Thomas, who emphasized the importance of observing and interpreting nature. Garber's talent was evident, and he was awarded a scholarship that allowed him to travel to Europe. During his European travels, Garber's immersed himself in the art of the Old Master and the emerging Impressionist movement. He was particularly inspired by French Impressionists like Claude Monet and Camille Pissarro, who focused on natural light and loose brushwork, resonated with his artistic vision. Garber's work is characterized by its impressionist yet distinctive style, which often blended detailed draftsmanship with ethereal light and atmosphere. His landscapes frequently depict the rolling hills, forest, and river valleys of Berks County, Pennsylvania, where he settled in the early 20th century. The Delaware River, in particular, became a recurring motif in his paintings. Unlike some Impressionists who favored spontaneity, Garber's employed a meticulous approach to composition. He often used structured patterns and rhythmic lines to create harmonious blended scenes. His work also explored the interplay of nature and artificial light, lending his painting a luminous quality that captivated viewers. Beyond landscapes, Garber painted interior portraits and genre scenes. His interiors often featured domestic setting suffused with soft, filtered light streaming through windows, creating a communal and intimate atmosphere. Garber's career flourished during the early to mid 20th century. He exhibited widely and received numerous awards, including the prestigious Temple Gold Medal from Papa in 1913. His work were shown at major venues such as the National Academy of Design in New York and the Carnegie Institute in Petersburg. In addition to his artistic achievements, Garber was a dedicated educator. He returned to PAFA as a faculty member in 1909, teaching painting for over 40 years. As a teacher, he inspired countless students, nurturing a new generation of artists. Garber's contribution extended to the broader Pennsylvania Impressionist movement, which flourished in the artist colony of New Hope. Alongside peers like Edward Redfield and William Lathorpe, Garber helped establish the region as a hub for American Impressionism. In his later years, Garber continued to paint, although his output diminished due to the declining health. His art remained rooted in the serene beauty of the natural world, a reflection of his lifelong devotion to capturing the essence of his countryside surroundings. Daniel Garber passed away on 5th July 1958 in Pennsylvania, leaving behind a rich legacy today. His work are held in esteemed collection, including the Pennsylvania Academy of the Fine Arts, the American Art Museum, and the Art Museum in Doylestown, Pennsylvania. Garber's ad continues to resonate with audience celebrated for its technical brilliance and poetic beauty. His ability to transform everyday landscapes into luminous transcendent work cement his place as one of the leading figure of American Impressionism. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.